Why the Amish will survive SHTF and 90% of others won't. In the face of a catastrophic event, many of us wonder how we would cope without the comforts of modern life. Enter the Amish, a community renowned for their self-sustaining lifestyle and resilience in the face of adversity. Despite their aversion to technology, the Amish possess a wealth of survival secrets that could serve as a guiding light in an SHTF scenario. Central to the Amish way of life is their emphasis on self-reliance and community cohesion. With their strong bonds and tight-knit communities, the Amish have a built-in support system that transcends individual capabilities. In times of crisis, this network becomes their greatest asset, enabling them to pool their resources and expertise to overcome challenges. Perhaps the most intriguing aspect of Amish survival is their attitude towards self-defense. Despite their pacifist beliefs, the Amish recognize the importance of protecting their community in times of crisis. While they may avoid violence on principle, many Amish communities have individuals proficient in hunting and firearm use. In an SHTF scenario, these skills could prove invaluable for procuring food and deterring potential threats. Here are 10 specific ways the Amish can fend for themselves in an SHTF scenario that we all can learn from. Community cohesion. The Amish prioritize community over individual needs, fostering strong bonds that provide support and resources during crises. For example, during barn raisings, the entire community comes together to construct a barn, showcasing their collective strength and cooperation. Traditional agriculture. Instead of relying on modern farming techniques, the Amish practice traditional agriculture using horse-drawn plows and manual labor. This allows them to cultivate crops without the need for fossil fuels or complex machinery, ensuring food security in the long term. Handcrafted goods. With a focus on craftsmanship and quality, the Amish produce a wide range of handmade goods, including furniture, quilts, and even baskets. By mastering traditional skills and using hand tools, they create products of enduring value without relying on industrial manufacturing processes. Alternative energy sources. While they ignore grid-connected electricity, the Amish utilize alternative energy sources such as kerosene lamps, propane and diesel generators, as well as actual horse power for essential power needs. This pragmatic approach ensures access to lighting, heating, and limited electrical appliances without compromising their commitments to simplicity. Self-sufficient homes. Amish homes are designed to be self-sufficient with features like wood-fired stoves for heating and cooking. By using renewable resources like wood and coal, they reduce dependence on external utilities and adapt to off-grid living conditions. Traditional medicine. In the absence of modern healthcare facilities, the Amish rely on traditional remedies and herbal medicine for treating common ailments. Knowledge passed down through generations enables them to maintain health and wellness without access to conventional medical services. Food preservation. With an emphasis on self-sufficiency, the Amish practice food preservation techniques like canning, smoking, and drying to store surplus produce for leaner times. By preserving these fruits, vegetables, and meats, they ensure a steady food supply year-round. Barter and trade. In lieu of conventional currency, the Amish engage in barter and trade within their communities, exchanging goods and services based on mutual need and cooperation. This economic system fosters interdependence and resilience in times of scarcity. Hunting and foraging. Many Amish communities engage in hunting and foraging as a means of supplementing their diet and procuring protein-rich foods. By leveraging their knowledge of local flora and fauna, they harvest wild game and edible plants to sustain themselves. Strong moral code. Because of their pacifist beliefs, the Amish prioritize nonviolence and humility in their interactions with others. And while they may not engage in self-defense, their commitment to peace and forgiveness fosters trust and goodwill within their communities, reducing the likelihood of conflict in times of crisis. As we confront the myriad potential disasters of the modern age, there is much we can learn from the Amish. Their survival secrets offer a blueprint for navigating turbulent times, reminding us of the importance of self-reliance, community, and adaptability. In an SHTF scenario, these timeless principles may prove to be our greatest assets, guiding us through the darkest of times and towards a brighter future. As always, I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please let me know what you think in the comments. And check out this video YouTube has chosen for you to watch next based on your own viewing history.